JJ Tech Prints here, introducing my Lightbox for artists for drawing or tracing, sketching. This Lightbox is created with two 3D printed parts, the bottom plane and the top, and it uses Bambu's LED boards. As you can see, are the 4 boards connected with their wires, showing that configuration. And also using the 3x8 self-tapping screws from the Maker's Beginner Kit. I prefer to start attaching one row of screws to get proper placement of the LED boards. Pay attention that the LED boards connecting wires do not hang along the outer edge to prevent any issues when placing the top. I continue to secure the 4 corners and a couple of other points until the LED boards feel secure on the back. Now is a great time to test the light functionality to make sure the wiring is correct before proceeding any further. Note that the Maker Kit does not come with enough 3x8 screws to attach to all of the mount points, but attaching to all of the mount points is not necessary. Here I'm actually removing 2 screws so that I have 6 for attaching the back to the top. The power cable should fit in one of these 4 notches as you place the top onto the bottom. There should be a satisfying snap as you press the back portion onto the top. Proceed to secure the back plate to the top. And now it's time to test the Lightbox. Grab your favorite graphic to place first, and then a fresh sheet of paper for tracing. Note that the 4 LED light boards provide ample light to transmit through the PLA for creating a very enjoyable Lightbox drawing experience. And that's it. Hope you enjoy this Lightbox and happy sketching.